de la Cruz from Caballero, Palayan City, Nueva Ecija. This is titled Elementary Teachers Evaluation of the Implementation of the Revised K-12 Curriculum, B sa B, their challenges and experiences, oral defense with highest honor.
Villanueva Marilu Deang from Candaba, Pampanga. This is titled Pagtuturo ng Pilipino sa gitna ng agwat na henerasyon, isang pagsusuri sa pedagogikal na practice ng mga guro sa sekundarya. All defense with highest honors.
Villanueva Susana Pineda from Makabaklay, Bungabon, Nueva Ecija. This is titled Interplay between the Metacognitive Practices and Effective Factors in Lifting Learners' English Reading Skills. Oral Defense with highest honors.
Vinuya Catherine Lacanilaw from Candaba, Pampanga.
Please wear the caps after putting the hood.
Management First Year 2025-2026 First Semester. De Los Santos Ariel Team Tila from Llanera, Nueva Ecija. Loyalty
Support to our beloved alma mater, Dr. Gloria D. Lacson Foundation Colleges in ideas and aspirations to the best of our abilities and capabilities for the achievement of the goals of the country. We will live up to the
You may now take your seat, please. A pleasant afternoon to each and everyone. My highest regard to the college president of Dr. Gloria D. Lacson.
This moment is not simply a celebration of degrees earned, but of identities forged as scholars, educators, and leaders. Education at the graduate level is not about memorization, but about cultivating wisdom and vision. You now stand as stewards of knowledge, trusted with the responsibility to shape the future of learning. The academic community in particular and the society in general await your contributions, not as passive recipients of tradition, but as active producers of new understanding. Now that you are holders of either a master's or a doctorate degree, it is expected that you will demonstrate competencies that go beyond baccalaureate levels, focusing on knowledge production, original research, and high-level professional practice. This is based on CHED Memorandum Order number 15, Series of 2019, CHED Memorandum Order number 46, Series of 2012. Dear graduates, it is hoped that as you embark on a new journey, you will articulate through your actions and decisions what it takes to be a MAED or PhD holder or MA-N. May you always embody this precept towards excellence. Firstly, knowledge production is the heartbeat of advanced education. The process by which disciplines evolve and societies progress. It is not enough to replicate what has been said. You must interrogate, critique, and reimagine the foundations of learning. Every question you pose has the potential to open new pathways of discovery. And every insight you generate can reshape the way we teach and learn. In this endeavor, curiosity becomes your compass, guiding you towards discoveries that matter. The act of producing knowledge is both a privilege and a duty, ensuring that education remains relevant and transformative. As masters and doctoral graduates, you are now entrusted with a sacred task. Your scholarship must be bold, original, and unafraid to challenge convention. On the other hand, original research is the cornerstone of your achievement. There are more than 200 graduates today in our prestigious institution, and more than 200 books or researches has been approved with highest honors, with high honor and highest honors. So I believe that with this number of researches, we can solve problems, especially in education and even in the nursing field. Meron akong nabasa, managing stress and coping mechanism, like that, no? Relationship to management, performance, something. Ang dami, 200 plus researches, new researches. There are researches on AI. No? Kaya sabi ko, sa daming ito, marami tayong magiging basis for improvement. A data-driven improvement. To a life purpose and service.